Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 2nd, 2024, and we have some intriguing updates for you. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's dive into our main story today. Hertz is rapidly increasing the sale of its Tesla vehicles due to a significant decline in their resale value. Back in 2021, Hertz made headlines by purchasing 100,000 Tesla Model 3 vehicles to electrify its rental fleet, later adding Model Y vehicles. Initially, this move was a hit, boosting customer satisfaction and setting a new standard in the rental car industry. However, the landscape shifted when Tesla began reducing the prices of its vehicles in 2022 and 2023. This led to a nearly 50% drop in the resale value of the Model 3 and an even steeper decline for the Model Y. This depreciation has hit Hertz hard financially, as the company relies heavily on maintaining the value of its fleet. Earlier this year, Hertz announced plans to sell around 20,000 Tesla vehicles to mitigate the financial impact. But following recent earnings reports, the company has decided to accelerate the sale of its Tesla cars, expecting to sell tens of thousands more by the end of the year. Hertz aims to complete the transition of its fleet by the end of 2025, with hopes that monthly depreciation costs will normalize. Currently, Hertz is experiencing a per-unit depreciation of $600 a month, a figure they are keen to reduce significantly. The decision to sell off the Tesla fleet comes amid high interest rates and a slowing economy, which have further contributed to the decline in vehicle values. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us next time for more news and analysis. Stay informed and drive safe.